Welcome to Brain Vision.
Chapter 3, Problem 50 says, use a periodic table to determine which element corresponds to each electron configuration. So first, let's briefly go over the periodic table. All right. Everything that's located in the first two columns is your S block. What's located in columns 13 through 18, or 3A through 8A, is P. What's located here is D. And then down here we have our F block, and we are not going to refer to that at this point in time, but this will be your F block. So the first question is asking us about AR, which gives us our noble gas configuration first. Then there's 4s2, 3d10, and then 4p6. We're going to figure out exactly what element this is by referring to a periodic table. So if we look at this periodic table, it gave us argon to begin with. So we're going to start there. And then we move into period 4, S1 and S2, 3D1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 4p6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the P block. That gives us krypton as our answer. You may have noticed that when we move into the D block, this is 3D, even though it's in period 4, and 4D, even though it's in period 5. So let's work on B. Again, we get our noble gas configuration, which is argon, giving us the shorthand notation of electron configuration. We have 4s2 and 3d2. So we're going to start back again with argon, referring to our periodic table. Then we have 4s2, period 4, block S1, S2, and then 3d2, following here, D1, D2. So we end up with titanium as our answer. The next element that we're given begins with krypton. And we have 5s2, 4d10, and 5p2. So now we begin right here with krypton on the periodic table. We go into the fifth block, S1 and S2, 4d10, which means we finish the entire D block, and 5p2 gives us p1, p2, 10 is our answer. Last but not least, we have krypton again. And we're looking at 5s2. Beginning with krypton, period 5, S1, and S2, with strontium as our final answer. So this just demonstrated how to use the periodic table and electron configuration to identify an element.